Hey buddy, today in this video we're making beef and snow peas stir fry. Let's begin. We're going to get the sauce ready first. We'll need 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 1, 2, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing cooking wine, 1, 2, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1, 2, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1, 2, 1 tablespoon of black bean garlic sauce. Take the sauce and mix it all together. One more thing, half tablespoon of finely chopped up ginger. Mix it in. Okay, we're good. We're gonna put the sauce to the side. We have here beef loin petite bottom sirloin steak, and it's a little bit over a pound. Let's open it up. Okay, next we're gonna slice up the steak. We're going for thin slices so it can cook faster. There we go. We're going to season the steak with some garlic salt. Turn it over, do the same thing. Next, we're just going to add just a little bit of ground white pepper. Make some room in the middle of the beef. We're going to crack open 1 egg. Mix the egg in with the beef. Next, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. 1.5. Mix in the cornstarch with the beef and the egg. This will help prevent the beef from drying out when you cook it. We're just going to add just a little bit of sesame oil. Just like that. Okay, everything is looking good. Everything is nicely mixed in. Okay, let's start cooking. We're going to heat up the wok first and turn it to 560. There you go, and push start. Okay, it's heated up. We're going to add some olive oil. Stir it all around. Spread it out. Next, we're going to add the beef. This wok cooks really fast. Just stir it around, try to cook it evenly. Okay, we browned up the steak. We're going to take it out. Next, we're going to add just a little bit more olive oil. We're going to cook half cup of sliced up white onions. Try to brown it up. Okay, the onions are browned up. We're going to add half cup of carrots. Stir that in. Next, we're going to add half pound of snow peas. Stir everything up. We're also going to add 1 cup of sliced up shiitake mushrooms. Stir it in. Okay, next we're going to add the sauce we made. Make sure to get every last bit. Stir it in. Now we're going to add the steak back in. Stir everything all up. We're just going to close it for 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. Stir it around for just a little bit more. Smells really good. Okay, we're done. Let's pick it up. Okay, this is what we have today. Beef and snow peas stir fry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.